Hey loves, welcome back to SoulSync. Today's video is all about those little things girls do without even realizing it. The kind of gestures that guys secretly find super attractive. And here's the thing, it's not always about dressing up or putting on a whole show. Most of the time, it's the natural, simple, almost effortless things that make guys think, wow, she's special. That's why today we're diving into the subtle behaviors and moments that grab a guy's attention and stay stuck in his mind. So if you've ever wondered what little quirks, habits, or gestures actually make an impression, stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll see how powerful the tiniest details really are. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps SoulSync grow and keeps our cozy community thriving. 1. The way she laughs wholeheartedly. A genuine laugh is magnetic. When a girl laughs with her whole heart, it doesn't just sound pretty, it lights up the entire moment. Guys notice when her laughter isn't forced or polite, but real, raw, and contagious. It makes her seem more approachable, more human, and more fun to be around. And honestly, nothing stays in their memory like the sound of a laugh that made them smile too. What makes it so attractive is the vulnerability behind it. Laughing without holding back shows confidence and comfort. She's not worried about looking too much or judged. For a guy, it feels like she's letting him into her unfiltered world, and that kind of openness is irresistible. Even the smallest random giggles can leave a lasting impact. Plus, a girl's laugh has this incredible way of softening the atmosphere. If he was stressed or overthinking, suddenly he's pulled into her joy. He'll even find himself saying things just to hear her laugh again, because it becomes addictive. A laugh isn't just cute, it's emotional chemistry in action. 2. Holding hands in public. There's something deeply attractive about the simplicity of holding hands. It's not just a gesture, it's a silent statement. When a girl slips her hand into his while walking through a crowd, it sends a signal of comfort, trust, and pride in being with him. That small act speaks louder than any caption on social media ever could. Guys secretly love it because it shows confidence in the connection. It's not about showing off. It's about choosing to be close in a very natural way. Holding hands might seem simple, but it's loaded with meaning. It shows safety, warmth, and intimacy without needing words. And trust me, most guys remember the first time a girl casually reached for their hand. And here's the real reason it's attractive. It makes him feel claimed in the softest way. That gentle touch in public is like her saying, "You're mine," without ever needing to say it. It's grounding, it's affectionate, and it creates the kind of comfort guys secretly crave more than they'll ever admit. 3. Fixing her hair when she's shy or nervous. There's a natural charm in the little things girls do when they're feeling shy, and one of the cutest is playing with or fixing their hair. It's not something they plan, but guys notice it instantly. That soft fidgeting says more than words. It shows nerves, excitement, and a little vulnerability all mixed together. To him, it's endearing. It's the opposite of a polished, perfect front. It's raw and human. The way she tucks her hair behind her ear, twirls it absent-mindedly, or keeps brushing it aside when she's unsure gives him a peek into her softer side. It's like her body language is letting him know she cares about how she looks in that moment. And honestly, it drives guys crazy in the best way. That little hair-touching habit is subtle, but it leaves him captivated because it makes her look both confident and adorably shy at the same time. It's one of those tiny mannerisms that stays stuck in his memory long after the moment has passed. 4. Laughing at his jokes. Even the bad ones. Every guy secretly adores when a girl laughs at his jokes, even if they're not funny. It's not about the joke itself. It's about the fact that she's choosing to enjoy the moment with him. That smile, that little sparkle in her eye when she chuckles, makes him feel like the most interesting guy in the room. What makes it so powerful is the validation behind it. When she laughs, it tells him he's doing something right, that he's able to lighten her mood or make her happy. Guys love to feel capable of making a girl smile, so her laughter becomes addictive. He'll keep trying just to hear it again. And even more, laughing at his bad jokes creates a safe space. He doesn't feel judged or embarrassed, and instead, he feels accepted. That kind of comfort is rare, and it's something men find deeply attractive. A girl who enjoys the moment and makes them feel good without needing perfection. 5. asking to do his makeup in a playful way. There's something unexpectedly charming when a girl asks a guy if she can do his makeup in a playful, teasing way. It's not really about transforming him, but about creating a fun, lighthearted moment together. That request itself feels flirty because it shows she wants to be close and share something silly, while also putting him a little outside his comfort zone in the cutest way possible. For him, saying yes feels like letting his guard down, and that's where the attraction deepens. The way she gets excited over picking up a brush or lipstick, the giggles while he pretends to be annoyed but secretly enjoys it, all of that makes the moment more about connection than makeup. It feels personal, almost like their own little inside joke. And honestly, what really stays with him is the intimacy of it. The closeness, her hand on his face, the way she teases him for looking funny. It all becomes a memory he replays later on. It's not about the makeup at all, but about how she makes him feel. Chosen, playful, and special. 6. Getting excited over the smallest things. A girl's enthusiasm is magnetic. When she lights up over small things, whether it's spotting her favorite snack, seeing a cute animal, or telling a funny story, it pulls him right into her joy. Guys secretly find this adorable because it shows authenticity. She's not holding back her excitement just to look cool. She's living in the moment. What makes it so attractive is the purity of it. It's refreshing to see someone genuinely happy over something so small because it adds color and charm to everyday life. That kind of energy is contagious. When she's excited, he feels excited too. It turns ordinary moments into something memorable. And most importantly, it makes him see her differently. That sparkle in her eyes, that big smile, that unfiltered happiness, it makes her unforgettable. Enthusiasm is one of those little traits that quietly makes a girl magnetic without her even realizing it. 7. Sending over something she cooked or baked. Few things feel as intimate as when a girl sends over food she's made herself. It's not just about the taste. It's about the thought, the effort, and the gesture behind it. Guys secretly love this because it feels so personal, like a piece of her world is being shared with them. Cooking or baking takes time and care, and when she chooses to share that with someone, it feels meaningful. It's her way of saying, "I thought of you while making this," without actually putting it into words. And that thoughtfulness is something men quietly treasure. And the truth is, it's not about whether it's perfect. Even if the cake is slightly messy or the dish is simple, the effort makes it special. It creates a memory, a story, and a feeling of being cared for. And that's what makes it such an attractive, unforgettable gesture. 8. Repeating his words back in a playful way. One of the most subtle yet magnetic things a girl does is repeating his words back in a playful way. It's not about mocking him. It's about teasing him just enough to make the conversation lighthearted. For a guy, it's like she's creating a private game that only the two of them share. What makes this so attractive is the attention behind it. By echoing what he says, she's showing she's tuned into him, really listening. And when it's done with a smile or a cheeky tone, it adds a spark of flirtation that guys secretly love. It makes them feel connected, like she's matching his energy. The best part? It turns normal conversations into memories. Suddenly, he finds himself grinning at how she twisted his words or made them sound funny. Those playful echoes become inside jokes, and those inside jokes are what make him obsessed with her in ways he doesn't even realize. So loves, those were some of the little things girls do that guys secretly find super attractive. The best part is that none of these are forced. They're natural, everyday quirks that just happen without you thinking twice. And yet, these are the very moments that stay stuck in someone's head long after the day is over. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync for more flirty, emotional, and relatable content. And tell me in the comments, which of these little things do you think you do without even realizing it? I can't wait to read your stories. Until next time, stay magnetic, stay playful, and stay emotionally synced. Only here on SoulSync.